Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So as you can see, I'm not wearing my flight attendant uniform today because I'm actually going to work, but I am going to be a standby today, which means that I have to go to the airport because, I mean, technically I don't have to go there directly because they're gonna call me an hour before my briefing time if they have a trip for me. But I live almost 2 hours away from the airport, which means I have to go there because I can't just risk it, you know. So anyways, I'm going there today. I was actually supposed to be on standby yesterday, but they called me 2 days ago that they didn't need me yesterday, so they gave me the day off, which was nice. And I'm starting the standby line today. So technically I'm gonna be on standby today. Today's Wednesday. I'm also gonna be on standby on Friday and on Saturday, and that's it for the line. So, well, the thing is, I really hope that they would just give me like a trip today, like either like a 3-day or 4-day trip, because then my schedule, like the rest of the month, the line that I'm holding is not gonna change. If they decide to give me a 5-day trip on Saturday, then my next trip is gonna be out of my roster. And I really wanna do the trips that I have planned because my birthday is later in the month. And I planned it the way that I would land in Munich on my birthday in the morning, and I really don't want that to change, you know. So anyways, I'm going to the airport now. It is currently 9:30 a.m. I don't have to be there until like 1:30 p.m. but there's a lot of traffic probably because tomorrow is a public holiday, at least here in Austria, but I'm pretty sure that in Bavaria they also have a holiday tomorrow. It's like a Christian holiday, and Christian holidays around here are national holidays. So everyone is off work and all of the stores are closed. So I'm just gonna go to the airport now. I'm gonna keep you updated. The thing is, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a trip today because I know that there are not a lot of people who are sick at the moment because the flu season is over, and I think no one wants to mess their schedules up anyways. And unless they are sick, they're not gonna call in sick, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm still hoping for a trip, like at least like a 3-day trip. A 2-day trip would really help me because then they'd probably still have me on standby on Friday and Saturday. So anyways, I'm done talking for now, and I hope that this is an exciting vlog and that I'm not just gonna be talking about standby the whole time and not flying. So yeah, let's see. I just arrived here at our Flight Operations Center in Munich. Somehow it didn't take me as long as I thought it would because tomorrow is a holiday and traffic wasn't that bad yet. I think it is worse when you're going the other way, like from Munich to Austria, or when you're going here later. Like there was a lot of traffic on this one road that goes around Munich, but I kind of like went on another road and just took that road, and then I kind of like got rid of all of the traffic jams that I would have gone through otherwise. And right now it is 11:30 a.m. so I still got like 2 hours before I have to be here or before my standby line starts. So I'm just gonna grab some lunch, get a few things done, and check if there are any open flights, and just so that I can plan if they might give me something. I kind of have a feeling that they're either not gonna give me anything tonight or they are gonna give me like a 3-day trip, which is like, fingers crossed. I want a 3-day trip. So, or a 4-day trip would be fine as well. I don't want a 5-day trip because then I'd be working the whole weekend. Anyways, I know I can't be picky. I'm on standby right now. So I'm just gonna head to our Flight Operations Center, which is just like right across the street. I've shown you before in one of my previous vlogs, and I will let you know if I get to fly anything. I do have a lot of stuff I have to work on, like I have some videos I want to edit, and I also have some reading material and stuff, so I'm not gonna get bored, I guess. I just had my lunch. I had some asparagus ravioli. It's like asparagus season over here, and then I also had some potato salad, which was really yummy. And then I met a few of my colleagues who went to training with me. So I met 4 of the girls who were in my training class, which was amazing to see them. I haven't seen them, I think I haven't seen them in like a year, something like that. So that was nice. And now I'm on the rooftop because I still have like more than an hour before I actually start my shift. And it's sunny up here. It's very windy, so I'm sorry about the noise. It's very windy. And there's still no flight in sight. Like there's no single standby flight in our system. So it's like, okay, just gonna wait, I guess. Just thought I lost my crew batch, but I didn't. That's good. So I'm just standing here, staring at the airport, pretty much staring at the tower. There's the tower over there. Oh my gosh, it's super bright. Like today I think it's like 75 degrees. That is nice actually. But I'm sitting here right in the middle of a crew parking lot. Is that weird? Probably. I'm weird in that way, but I just want to be outside. Hey guys, it is 7 p.m. I'm not flying right now, so crew scheduling hasn't called me yet, so I don't really think they are gonna call me out tonight. So I'm just gonna wait here until 9:30 p.m. because if they want to use me today, they have to call me by 9:30 p.m. and they have to use me before 10:30 p.m. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna be sitting here for the last 2.5 hours and I don't think anything is gonna happen. So yeah, I have done all of my online courses that I had to do for my airline because we do get some training sometimes online, and then I did finish editing a video pretty much. I can't upload it because the internet here isn't fast enough. And other than that, I've just been watching some Shadow Hunters on Netflix and that's about it. So yeah, I'm just basically waiting around, being really bored. Andy tried to call me before, but I couldn't like take his call because I couldn't risk my airline calling me and not being able to answer because I was on the phone with Andy. Hey guys, it is currently 9:15 p.m. They haven't called me yet. I don't think they're gonna call me in the last 15 minutes of my shift. Well, technically it's an hour and 15 minutes, but they have to call me an hour before my shift ends. Otherwise they can't use me. So I'm gonna go home now because in case they call me in those 15 minutes, I have enough time to turn around and be at our flight operations center within 1 hour. So I'm gonna go over to Andy's place and yeah, spend a nice evening or night with him because, I mean, until I get there, it's almost like midnight. So good night, guys, I guess. And I'm gonna talk to you probably in like 2 days because tomorrow I'm off work and then my standby shift starts again on Friday, and like tomorrow I'm not really doing anything, so yeah. Hey guys, so today is Friday. I was supposed to be on standby today, but I wasn't, so they called me last night and they asked me if I wanted today off because they somehow had too many standbys because like no one is sick right now. Seriously, no one is. I'm like, what in the world? I mean, the flu season is over, as I have mentioned before. But anyways, so I was like, yeah, I'll take it. So I do have my standby duty tomorrow though, so I do have to go to Munich at 2 a.m. but I didn't have to take a hotel or anything and pay for that in Munich tonight, because if I would have had standby today and then I didn't get to fly and then I would have had standby tomorrow as well, I would have had to actually go to a hotel because I can't sleep at the airport, you know. So anyways, I do have to leave for the airport at 2 a.m. So the earliest they can call me is 4:30 a.m. I mean, technically they can't use me before 6 a.m. But sometimes on the way to Munich from here, from Salzburg, there is like really bad reception, or sometimes there is no reception at all, so I cannot risk being in a car and not being able to answer the phone because they can't get through, you know. So that's why I just want to play it safe and be at the airport at the time they can start calling me, you know. So, or not really the airport, like our flight operation center, which is like right next to the airport. It's like one station if you take the train that goes to the airport. So anyways, I do have to go to bed now. Currently it's sort of early, it's like 6 p.m. but I do have to go to bed now because I have to get up at 1 a.m. so oh well. Anyways, good night you guys, and I'm gonna tell you about my standby duties tomorrow and how it goes and everything. I think I can probably update you more tomorrow because there's literally gonna be like no one there when I arrive, I guess. Good morning, it is almost 2 a.m. and I'm about ready to go to the airport. I know it's early, but let's do this last day of standby, or my second day actually. I just arrived here in Munich at our flight operations center. It's currently 3:45 a.m. so it's kind of early. Like, I don't have to be here for like another 45 minutes. I mean, technically I don't have to be here until like 6 a.m. but like I mentioned before, I just like being here when I am supposed to be reachable on my phone, because there are some spots on the way here from Salzburg where I don't get reception. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into our flight operations center now, and I'm just gonna have some breakfast. I did bring some granola bars because the cafeteria isn't open yet. So might as well just eat those. I do have my water with me, so that's fine. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep you updated how it goes today. So my best case scenario would be that they give me a trip right now, like starting at like 6 a.m. and that it would be like a day tour where I get back to Munich in the evening or something. That would be my best case scenario, because then I wouldn't have to like sit around here. Second thing I would like is actually not being called out. I would have to sit here for the whole duration of my standby duties today, but I would get to go home tonight or in the afternoon actually. Worst case would be that they would give me a 5-day trip today. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I think I'm like the only one here at our flight operations center, which is kind of weird, but then again, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. And I'm still like waiting for them to turn the lights on in the back of this part of the building. Like I'm in the cafeteria, but I'm sitting here because there are some electricity outlets here, so I can plug my cell phone and my computer in and stuff like that. So just waiting. They can start calling me in half an hour. Don't really think that they will though. It is now 5 a.m. Crew scheduling hasn't called me yet, and I'm just waiting if they're gonna call me. Still a long time I have to sit here. Technically I have to be here until 2 p.m. Like technically it would be like 3 p.m. but I can leave at 2 p.m. because if they don't call me by 2 p.m. they cannot use me today, because they do need to call me an hour before my shift is over. So I do need to start my briefing within my shift. I'm just here in the crew parking lot repacking because I just got a trip. I'm going to Bucharest in Romania, but it's just a turnaround, so I'm just going there, going back. It gets me like 4 flying hours, which is okay. And currently it is 6:30, or no, actually it is 6:15 a.m. So I didn't have to sit around for long, which is good. So it's like my best case scenario actually. Super lucky actually. I'm excited. I'm all changed into my uniform now. Let's grab some breakfast. I'm here all by myself. I'm still waiting for the crew. They are supposed to come in like really soon, in like 5 minutes or something. I'm just preparing stuff here in the plane. All empty. I just prepared this for our beverage carts. Hey guys, I just arrived at home. So it is currently 4:30 p.m. and I'm about to meet Andy in a bit. So we're going to this brewery that is not that far from here. I'm not gonna drink anything though, because I'm gonna be the designated driver. But it's just nice. They have really good food there. They have like fish and barbecue and all that kind of stuff. It's really, really good. And I think some of Andy's friends are probably gonna show up too, so it's gonna be a nice evening. I'm a little tired, but not too much, because I mean I did sleep 4 hours last night. Anyways, the flights went fine. The passengers were really nice. The crew was amazing. And I was working the one right position, which meant I was working up front with our pursers. So I was working in business class and economy class. That's it for now. I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, we just had lunch at this wonderful fish restaurant. I didn't bring my camera, so sorry there are no video clips of that, but it was nice. The weather is perfect today. Well, actually I think there are some clouds appearing on the horizon right now, but other than that it was perfect. We're just gonna go for a little walk right now, and yeah, that's about it for today. It's been a nice day, and yeah, it's just nice to relax sometimes. I just made this cake from scratch. So I even made the fondant and the decoration, the roses, by myself. And it's the first time I ever tried this, but I think it turned out really well. I'm just going to end this vlog right here because today I'm going on another trip and I'm just gonna start a new vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.